Today we will learn how to draw a contract icon in Figma. This one. Let's go. Press R for rectangle and then press Shift and Option so the rectangle will be bigger from the center if you are a Mac user. So let's draw it like this. Add a stroke and remove fill and this position to center and stroke value 1.5. Then click here and this join to round. Close it. All right. Now double click and select these top corners and radius value to 2 pixels. All right. Now double click so you can add more points. Now let's start drawing the point. 1 point here and 1 more point here and also 1 more point here. So we get the paper shape, and let's add 1 more point here, also 1 more point here, and select this corner and hit delete from your keyboard. All right. Now let's select these 2 corners and radius value to 2. All right, let's select this point and move it a little bit to the top and go here and click here and the end points to round. All right. Now double click and select this point and move this little bit to the left so we have enough space for the signature. All right. Press P for pen tool so we can draw the signature. All right. Let's draw it. Make sure it looks like a signature. All right. Let's move it a little bit to the left side. Yeah. Now double click here so we can move this point a little bit to the left side because it looks like too much closer, right? All right. Now let's select this point and move this little bit to the down because it looks like too much spacing, right? Just make sure your icon looks like really balanced, right? Well balanced. All right. Now again press P for pen tool so we can draw the line. All right. Duplicate it and move it to the down. And again duplicate it and move it to the down. All right. Now double click and move this point to the left a little bit. All right. And I think we are done. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and check out hugeicons.com if you need icons, beautiful icons for your design and development projects. Goodbye.